So I just woke up, but the rest of my family is sleeping. I'm going to make a cup of coffee with my Nespresso. Cheers. It's so good. And my favorite part about all of this is that I feel like I don't have the need to go and buy a coffee. I'm so happy with my coffees and my Nespresso. It's just the best. And it takes about a minute for the coffee to go through when I press on the on button until it's done filling my cup. You can get all sorts of pods. You have espresso, regular, I think it's 7.7 ounce coffees. So there's a variety of different pods that you can get. I get mine right off Amazon, super easy. And I just can't say enough good things about my Nespresso.